talking about my project, the ESI project. So pretty much what it is okay, that's the very accurate power source. So what we have to do is just start this one up, because this one has to be started first, otherwise your hbridge acts a bit funny. One note that the thermoelectric cooler, the white goes to the black and the yellow goes to the red. A quick note about the pin numbers. Well, I'm pretty sure you won't actually misplace them, but it's good that you should probably look at the code and then you'll actually know that what are the pin numbers, to be honest. This pin number, this pin over here, is a small reset button. This restarts your sort of program. This pin number is the lock in, and this is the up, increase the temperature, decrement the temperature. And when you want to go to the temperature, you press this button. When you're bored, when Peter is saying, alright, I want a new temperature, you press this button. That's that. Make sure that the A0 and the ground are connected from the thermoelectric cooler. The ground is connected from here, and A0 is connected from here at this point. The thermistor is sort of going in and here, and it's been calibrated with this thing over here, the VG97 blah blah blah. Okay, now what you want to do now is, since you have to use two 5-volt sources, alright, this is how this one is working. So since you don't have two 5-volt sources, and your hbridge is calibrated to work with this, so this is your hbridge. The red part is going here and the black part is going here, if you don't believe me. The red part is somewhere there and the black part is somewhere there. And the other thing is, I know the fuse was a bit broken. Sorry about that, comrade. I've lost a comrade. Feel very bad. So this blue wire is connected to this green wire. Now this green wire is the ground of this power supply. Alright. So this green wire, we will trace it, and look, there it is. It's the black part is connected here, and then the red part is been clipped onto a banana to the yellow cable over here. Okay, so the yellow is going there. This is the positive 5 volts is going there, but the ground part is connected here, and the positive part is connected to the ground of this thing here. That's that. And then the negative side is connected to the negative side over there. That's how the instrumentation amplifier is going to work. Always you want to start the AC power supply first. I would say test it for a bit and then you can just show it to the guy. So what you want to do is go to arbitrary. This is my one. So just go to arbitrary, and then what you want to do now is go to 0 kilohertz, because you don't want many kilohertz. 0, and then it will say, I don't know why it actually zooms in when I don't actually want to zoom in. So hertz, it will say I can't do 0 hertz, so but 1 microhertz, that floats my boat. I'm happy with that. Now the amplitude is 5, but I don't want peak to peak, so I will just go RMS, volts RMS. That's that. Offset should be 0 volts DC, and that's it. I'm ready, and then I will fire it up. I'm in channel 1. I will fire it up. Channel 1 is banging. My temperature will change a bit, alright, so that's that, so that's okay. And now what you want to do now is fire this baby up. Notice that this is not in parallel anymore, and we're actually getting a 5-volt supply of that thing over there, so that's pretty good. The zoom is pretty bad in this one. Alright, so it's been fired up, the whole thing has started. So now let's set a temperature. The small button over here, just make sure that not to unplug anything. Actually, I should probably do the reset button. Alright, now have I unplugged anything, because it wasn't responding before, but let's see now. Alright, there. So 21 is a good temperature. So we want to go to 21. So are you sure you want to go to 21? And then we will press this big button here, but not to unplug anything. And now the particle starts in 2 seconds. Alright, so let's see what's happening now. It's decreasing. This started to decrease the temperature. And if you're not sure that if this is the right temperature, we've got a very accurate 27. You've got a pretty accurate temperature measure going on. It's like a degree off, 25. It can be a degree off. To be honest, it's not like a degree off. It's like just the way they've been placed over there. And that's my power supply killing itself. Yeah, so because it can have a different temperature in different region, so don't worry about that. All you have to notice is that once it goes to 21, it will start to hover around. There, it's gonna approach 21 soon. There. So it won't stop there, because if it stops there, it will go back to the room temperature. So what I've done, I will overshoot it a bit and undershoot it a bit. As you can see, it's overshooting it by itself. That will not make it equal to 21, so it will go back to the while loops again. Look at that. It's overshot, so it's done. And now it's like, hang on, I'm a bit over, so I'll go back. It goes over by like 2 degrees each side. And one thing, yeah, always start this one first and then start this one. That's another note. Okay, so we've seen that this is actually maintaining the temperature. It will go under that soon. Look at that. As we can see that it's going there. And the other thing which we will see now is if I press this small button over here, this tiny button, yep, the focus is on that over here, long press. This will exit the current temperature. This will start the thing again. Okay, so we don't have to press the reset button. So if I press the top button, it will increment the temperature. So let's go to a higher temperature. Let's go to 25. All right. Are you sure you want to go to 25? Yes. So that's that. 2-second wait, and then it will do its magic. As you can see, it's going to 25. Now it will overshoot it and undershoot it a bit, and that's how this thing actually will work. Done. So it goes up by 2 degrees, I think. Ooh, it goes up by 3 if I go. I should probably decrease the overshoot and undershoot by a bit. But yeah, as you can see, the main idea, it works. So yeah, hope this helps you. Ciao.